For today's video, I had new squishies. This is all the squishy I had. And there's so many. First, we're gonna start in the cheapest one. This Taba Squishy. I had this Taba Squishy. And I had this bread squishy, slow rising guys. Okay, I love this texture. And the next is I had 2 cheese, and this is I have 2 cheese squishies, and this is slow rising too. Wow. And next, this squishy. Tinanggalan ko siya ng air, guys. And mas softer yung texture. Okay. Let's move to this one. Nido. So hard. Tigas to guys. And ito, malambot na Nido. Glittery siya. At the last is the dumpling. And sana makuha ko yung glitter. Kahit anong glitter, basta glitter. So, ang nakalagay dito ay yung golden. Dapat makuha natin yung golden. So, let's go. Basta, kahit hindi siya golden, basta glitter pa din. I'm so excited. Tanggalin natin yung scotch tape. 3, 2, 1.